Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V6 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, but to be honest, I recommend using Wi-Fi, especially if you will decide that you want to back up the data at the same time. All right, so let's open the settings first of all, and then we need to scroll down and find the users and accounts section. Then tap on Add Account and choose Google. Again, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. This one, and tap on Next. So right here we need to enter the password. Okay, and after entering, simply tap on Next. So now we can decide who's going to use this device, so either you or your child. Just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of the backup and storage info. Basically, here you can also decide whether you want to backup the data or not. You can just mark the sections that you want to backup and then tap on Turn on Backup. I will just mark Don't Backup Now and confirm it. We can do it. You can do it later on if you will decide that you want to. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. And of course, if you want to, you can remove it whenever you want to. So just tap on the account, tap on Remove, and tap on Remove, and this is it. As you can see, it will be immediately disabled. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.